Guys, I want you to take a look at this video over here. This person who posted this video didn't even record this content themselves. In fact, they just reposted this post of another Instagram page and gave them credit in the caption of this post. The same thing with this post over here, and this is 100% legal and legitimate as long as you give credit to the original creator in the caption. Otherwise, they do have the right to take your video down, but if you tag them and give credit, this is 100% legit and legal to do on Instagram. And what's happening is because these videos are already going viral, they are just replicating this virality. You'll see this video over here got 12,000 views for a new Instagram page that hasn't been posting that much, and the amount of engagement that they've been getting on this page by just reposting content that isn't theirs, they're driving traffic to their Instagram page where they're monetizing this page through their DMs by selling a affiliate program, specifically a workout program for women. They are getting thousands and tens of thousands of views per post. If you take an average of a 0.1% conversion rate on 10,000 people, that's 10 people signing up to their product per 10,000 views. Let's say their product sells for $29. That's what's the average workout product cost. So let's go 29 times 10. And if you're getting 10,000 views a day, that's a minimum of $290 a day from this Instagram page through the workout program that they're selling. And the best part is they're hardly putting efforts into this because they're not even taking the time out of their day to create their own content. They're just replicating already viral content on Instagram. And I'm going to show you how you can 3 times this by using the power of Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts and monetize all 4 of those platforms at the same time. The first thing you need to do is to go and find the product that you're going to be monetizing your pages with. I'm going to be suggesting vshred.com. This is no paid promotion. I'm not an affiliate for this tool. I'm just talking about it because they have a monthly membership where their clients pay a monthly fee. So their affiliate program actually pays a reoccurring monthly fee instead of a once-off amount, which brings in that passive monthly cash flow per referral that you make. I've personally tried out this program myself, and it's actually very good. You get a mobile application with your daily workouts, your custom meal plan, and the various different calories that you need to burn per day in order to gain or lose weight, depending on what your goal is. So this program really caters for everybody. It's a lot better than the ones I've seen on ClickBank and Digistore24. So for today's video, I'm going to use this example. You can come over to this website, or if you go and search on Google, VShred Affiliate Program, it's the first link in the description, VShred's US Affiliate Program. Click on that and you'll be able to sign up over here with your affiliate account, your promotional type, and get approved over here, and you will then get your affiliate link on your dashboard once you've been approved as an affiliate for VShred. If you don't want to go this route, you can just take any health and fitness product on ClickBank or Digistore24.com. Just to quickly show you as an alternative, you can come over to Digistore24.com. You can sign in with your existing account or create a new account. It's available worldwide. I'm going to log in with my existing account quickly. Once you've signed into Digistore24.com, you will land on the marketplace that looks like this. I recommend come over to Fitness and Health, somewhere in the middle over here, and there are tons of various different weight loss programs that you can go and promote. Personally, my favorite, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, a really good program to promote that really converts well. Your affiliate link is over here, where you will earn a commission of 85%, which is around $26 per sale. And this program has upsells to reoccurring memberships where you can also make that reoccurring passive cash flow over there. So now that you've got 2 good products in mind, VShred or a Digistore24.com product, step number 2 is to go and discover how we're going to put all of our content and our pages together. The easiest place to also go and outsource content is through TikTok.com. You are allowed to repost videos from TikTok onto Instagram and Facebook, again, as long as you give credit to that creator on Instagram. So I'm going to go and search on TikTok, Women's Workout Program. Going to click on enter. Over here you can see some videos of upper body workouts, dumbbell workouts for women's deadlifts, and all sorts of workouts that you can go and use. And it's very easy. You can go and click on any one of these videos. Let's go and use this upper body workout that this page uses. And as you can see, they've gotten 158,000 views with a total of nearly 5,000 likes. So this video is definitely proven to go quite viral and reach quite a large audience. You can copy the link of this TikTok, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without watermark. You must make sure that it is without the watermark, because if you post it with the watermark, Facebook or YouTube will pick it up as a repost and they won't push your content out to a new audience. Scroll down and use this website over here called sstik.io, TikTok downloader without watermark. You can paste your link over here, click on download, and this will download to your PC without a watermark. There might be 1 or 2 ads. You can just close these ads by clicking them away. Once this video is downloaded, you can see it's been downloaded over here without the TikTok watermark. You want to come over to Instagram and create a brand new page. Very similar to something like this, motivational workouts or workout videos. If you're unsure of what Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook name that you can use for your page, you can come over to ChatGPT and ask an AI to give you some great examples. So you can type over here, for example, women's workout Instagram page name ideas. Click on send to ChatGPT and take a look at this. They give you a whole list of good name ideas that you can use for Instagram that already exists, such as Fit, Femi, She Lifts, Strong Women, Sweat Sisters, Women Who Lift, Power Queens, Lady Lifters. So you can use any one of these names. Let's, for example, use Workout Warriors. You would then go and create an Instagram page called Workout Warriors. And for a logo, you can just go over to canva.com and create a simple logo. It's really easy to do. Or you can just go to Pexels or any stock image website and use a picture of a woman doing workouts or a man doing workouts as your logo for your page. Now that your page is complete, you want to create an Instagram page, repost that post onto Instagram. Just upload on your phone or your PC. And what I recommend is just give credit to the original creator and comment down below in the caption, link in bio to Women's Workout Program. And you can leave your link to the V-Shred affiliate program or the program that you've now gotten on Digistore24. Secondly, you can come over to facebook.com. You want to recreate that same page on facebook.com and repost those same reels. Here's an example page that I've created called Rocket Growth, which I was focusing on growth of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram and social media, which I reposted one video and it got about 180 views and 3 likes. So for the first video, it's not a bad amount of views, but what you need to do is keep posting, I would say, once a day for the first 30 days and keep building that consistency and traction. That is really what the algorithms of YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all social media platforms favor, is that consistency, and that is how you go viral. And you can build quite a sustainable and big business out of this. One of my pages that I created about 3 months ago called Millionaire Mindset Funded, which is my trading business, where I also just post screen recordings of trades that I take and update people on my trades, which I've monetized with a Discord where I have my full in-depth analysis, mentorship signals, and price actions course. So over here, I do the same thing with Instagram, TikTok, YouTube as well, monetizing that with my own product. So instead of an affiliate product, I'm using my own product. And if you post consistently, I mean, the first 3 posts that I post got about 258 likes, 400 likes, and 356 likes, which has taken off quite nicely. I will be honest, also a reason why this page did grow quite quickly was from my main page, which has quite a lot of followers and a bigger audience. So I've just plugged in my own page in my bio and often promoted it in my posts. And also the same thing with my own page. I create my TikToks and just repost that on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And that way you can grow on all of the platforms at the same time instead of just one of them. I literally put no effort into Instagram. It's just reposted content that I create for TikTok and YouTube that I create into smaller clips for the short video platforms such as Reels. And the same growth happens on Instagram, just like this. So this is eventually where you can scale to. If you want to get more help with this or ideas on the type of business that you can start in this specific niche, message me on Instagram down below. I will answer your messages. I respond to all DMs. And also, what will also help you out is I will leave my TikTok growth playlist over here. The strategies that I teach there will really help out with growing on Instagram, Facebook, and short video content platforms. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of this is free content that I post on YouTube. I don't sell courses in that specific niche. My field is trading off of YouTube. So all of this is completely free. What I recommend you do is click on this playlist over here. I'll see you over there, and also save it to your watch later so that you get reminded of the different updates that I send you.